when it comes to divorce or separation between the parents. If you are currently in the UK and you're not a British national, you live in the UK, you work in the UK, you've got children in the UK, or you've got a partner in the UK, I think it's very important. I can't stress the importance enough that you speak to someone like myself to know that you have done the right things to be able to secure your leave to remain in the UK, because the worst case scenario would be that you would have to find yourself within 24 hours having to leave the UK, and the Home Office would want to remove you from the UK if you do not have the right um, leave to remain in the UK, and they would also seek to remove your children from the UK if you can't show that they have the right to remain in the UK permanently or they have British citizenship. Which means that in as part of the divorce, the issue of their status in the UK, how they would be able to continue living in the UK after the divorce, becomes a very crucial part of the process. There are times where the parties would have to mediate on that on a separate level, just to make sure that the parent, being it the father or the mother, would be able to remain in the UK even after the divorce. I have had scenarios where the husband was not willing to support her application, although they've lived together all these years. She was under the impression that because the husband is British, because the children are British, and she's always lived here, had the children in the UK, that she was British, which isn't the case. At the end of it, what we had to do for her would be to start the process of applying for a visa for her as if she just came into the UK. She thought she could just apply for a British passport, but no, she can't do that. If you're in the UK and you're in a relationship or married to a British citizen, you've got children who are British citizens, that does not automatically guarantee you remaining in the UK permanently. And it doesn't also allow you to apply for a British passport just on the basis that your partner or your husband or your children are British citizenship. If you're thinking of applying for naturalization following your permanent residence and you're not quite sure how to do it, the information out there can be a bit confusing. If you're not sure how to do it, then definitely get in touch with me. I deal predominantly in immigration matters. I've been doing that for over 10 years. So I just love the fact that I'm able to help people. I love the fact that I don't just help individuals, but I also help their families as they go along on their journey in the UK. So, in conclusion, my advice would be if you are in the UK, you need to have one or two things. First, that you have pre-settled status that secures your leave to remain in the UK for the next 5 years after Brexit, or you apply for permanent residence to remain in the UK. Once you apply for permanent residence, then you are on the road to applying for naturalization, which will then lead to you applying for a British passport. If you have permanent residence and you do not wish to apply for British citizenship, it means that although you can remain in the UK indefinitely, you are limited as to how long you can remain outside of the UK, which would be you cannot live in the outside of the UK for 2 years or more, because you then lose that indefinitely to remain or permanent residence. If you have children in the UK, and they're entitled to British nationality, it's best for you to advise you apply for that now, so they've got it even if you want to take them out of the UK for a period of time. This will then give them the opportunity to come back to the UK when they are 18 or when they want to come and study in the UK.